This video is sponsored by Squarespace.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Royalty Soaps. So as you can see from the title of today's video, I am going to be letting my daughter Lily do my makeup. So let me tell you a little story. Lizzie McGuire is just one of those quintessential things that I remember from my younger middle school days. We had a girl that owned the entire collection of Lizzie McGuire books, and she would rent them out to girls in our school in exchange for, you know, a little trinket, a lip gloss, a sucker, something like that. I was always giving her lollipops or bubble gum, and she would let me rent it for like 2 or 3 nights, and then I'd bring it back. There was a heartbreaker, like Lizzie McGuire in Love Valentine's Day edition one that was my absolute favorite. And this collection just gave me so many good vibes, so many happy feelings. I bought the whole thing and I thought, what better way to just spread some love and some early 2000s joy than to purchase the whole collection for you guys as well. So I am doing an entire giveaway for this collection. All you have to do to enter is follow my personal Instagram and follow me here on YouTube. Just subscribe and follow me on Instagram. The official giveaway entry form is on my personal Instagram. There will be a picture. It looks like this. If you go to that picture and like it and comment, that's like the official entry, and then we will pick one and we will send you guys out the entire collection. You can see this is what it looks like in the box, all of the individual pieces. They're so cute. I mean, look at the aesthetic. Everything is packaged so beautifully. I have personally used all of the things in this collection already, and I'm honestly surprised by the quality. It's much better than the putt-putt golf makeup quality that I was used to from my middle school. It's like all the fun colors of that era, but actual quality. So yeah, to enter, all you have to do is subscribe to the Royalty Soaps channel, follow me on Instagram, like that photo, and leave a comment on it so that I can count up all the entries and we can pick a winner for this giveaway. It's only going to be open for a week. The giveaway ends on the Tutti Frutti launch day. So that is May 8th at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. We will pick a winner that day. Also, I will be giving away the entire Tutti Frutti collection. That giveaway begins on release day and it will end in 24 hours. So we will ship out your little goodies if you win the entire Tutti Frutti collection when we start shipping all of the Tutti Frutti collection orders. It's a very fast giveaway. Follow me on TikTok if you're interested in winning. And so without further ado, we will welcome Lily Marie to do my makeup with the Lizzie McGuire X ColourPop collection, and I really hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video, and we'll talk about them a little later on in the program. Do you want to say hello? Aww. Buddy just walked in. Buddy's typically kind of shy, but he was pointing at the camera and waving, so I think he wanted to say hello. You want to say hello and wave? Yeah, hi guys. Say, I'm 2 now. I'm 2, and it's breaking my mom's heart. All right, let's go get Lily. Okay? Yay. Yeah, Lily. See you guys in a minute. Okay, before I bring her in, I thought I would show you me without makeup. I know the mics are right here, so I'm trying not to breathe into y'all too much. My 2 or 3 day hair is really looking good with that dry shampoo. So here you go, my before. Can't wait to see Lily's after. Okay guys, Lily is here. I have my hair pinned back. Lily, everyone is so excited to see you put makeup on me. And also, I know you guys may ask, her little cheek right here got scratched when she was playing outside at Marmy's house, huh? You scratched your cheek up yesterday. Does it hurt still?
No.
Oh, that's good. Mama has put medicine on it, so don't you guys worry. I have given Lily some brushes. She has the whole collection in front of her, and I can't wait to see what she does, because she doesn't really watch me put on my makeup. I'm not sure if she knows what everything is. This should be impeccable. I'm sure I will look the most beautiful I've ever looked in my life. All right, Lily, what's first?
This one.
Okay. What is this? Some lip gloss, maybe?
Now I need to do this one first, too.
Let's see, which one was this? Ooh, Miranda. What a lovely color. All right, would you like a brush to put that on?
Yes.
Lily's going in with a little bit of blush here. Oh, that feels nice and soft on my face. Lily, did you enjoy Baby Will's birthday?
Yep.
What was your favorite part about it?
It was my favorite part of candy of that.
Candy? Yeah.
And now I'm gonna do this one.
Okay. What's that one?
I know. Mama, do you know what it is?
What is it?
It's Nunu.
It's Nunu.
Do you know what it is?
Do you want me to tell you what it is?
Yeah.
It's glitter.
Yes, good.
Here, you might want to do glitter with your fingers because it'll get the brush a little nasty. I think it's glitter. Oh, that might be lip balm. Let me look and see. Lizzie McGuire lip scrub. You put it on your lips and you scrub them. Oh, ooh. Thank you. What else would you like?
I would like to do this one.
All right. Are you excited for summer, Lily?
Yep. I'm gonna put it right here.
Okay.
Ooh.
Do you like that? Oh, lots of glitter, huh?
Yep. And then do this one.
Oh, more glitter. They have two different glitters. They have the Get a Grip Glitterally Obsessed. Sing to Me Paulo. Sing to Me Paulo. Also glitterally obsessed. I like the Sing to Me one. I use that on my eyes in some of the intros and outros for this month. Oh, more.
I'm gonna do it on your other one.
Okay. I think Lily might be getting me ready for Coachella. All right.
And then I know
Here, you want to wipe your finger off so it's not... You can wipe it on my leg because we're pros around here. Do you know what this is?
Yep.
What is it?
It's called. Do you know what it's called?
What is it called?
It's called put it on your eyes.
You're right. It is. It's eyeshadow. Check it out. Look at those lovely colors. I can't wait to see what you pick to put on my eyes. Why are you frowning? Does that not look the way you thought it was going to? Oh, well. Ooh, that one has glitter in it. I like that one. She's holding the brush so still. She's very studious.
Ooh, you look so pretty, Mama.
Oh, thank you, baby. I feel so pretty.
Mama, look, this is riddly.
Yes, it is. I think I might be getting the whole palette on both my eyes.
Ooh.
What color is that?
It's green.
Green, and it's called Dear Diary.
This is golden.
It is golden, you're correct. You can also put golden on my nose or on the tops of my cheeks. Sometimes that makes it look nice. What's your favorite color in this palette, Lily? Which one do you like the most?
I like the most the golden.
The golden one? That's called a bye-bye.
This one is green.
Uh-huh. You maybe want to put one on my other eye?
Put some on your nose.
Oh.
Ooh, you look so pretty, Mama.
Thank you.
Da-na-na-na.
Oh, yeah, I love to hear you sing a song. What song have you been liking to sing recently?
I love Jolene. Jolene is my favorite song of all.
Here, baby. Why don't you use the brush? You still have more on it.
Oh.
You just need a... Thank you. Oh, yes. Oh, that's nice. That smells really nice.
Yeah, I want to do this one.
Okay, and then you would use this brush for that? Now, normally, when people do a brush, they'll put some on the cheek, maybe up in here a little bit. But, I mean, you can do whatever you want. Be as creative as you like. But that's where a lot of people like to put it. All right.
Cheeks.
Cheeks. Okay. Do you like it?
Ooh, you look so pretty, Mama. You look a Jolene.
I look a Jolene.
No, you look like Jolene.
Oh, I look darling.
No, a Jolene.
A Dolian? What does a Dolian mean?
And that means you're gonna get some more makeup.
Okay.
Jolene.
We gotta get you a Dolly Parton shirt, lady. All right. Is my makeup done?
Yep.
All right.
It's not.
It's not done?
No, not yet.
Okay.
And then I have to do both of these because I didn't do them.
I think Lily wants to make sure I have all 4 of the lip gloss colors on. I think that might be enough, sugar. I feel it coming off of my lips and running down my face.
Good, Mama. I'm gonna get you some more.
Are you sure I need more?
Yeah. It's okay. I'm gonna get some little bit.
This feels really gross. I'm not gonna lie.
I got a little bit. Oh, Mama, it's okay. It's okay. Don't look at yourself.
Don't look at myself. You want me to wait?
Yeah. It's okay. I'm gonna wipe up that self.
Oh.
There you go, Mama.
Oh, thank you. That's much better.
Now you can look at them. And
Okay,
then you
now I
get
should.
them.
Oh, look at them. Okay. Well, here we go. Ta-da! Am I doing ColourPop justice with their Lizzie McGuire palette? Look at all that glitter, Lily. I am so impressed with your liberal use of glitter.
Oh, you have to do my first.
Oh, you want me to do yours? Is that part of the deal?
Yeah, and on my cheeks and on you.
Oh, I see. Well, I didn't know that was part of the video, but we can do that. All right, let's look in the mirror. Oh wait, do you want some lip gloss?
No.
Oh really? You see how it locked on me and you decided that wasn't for you? What beautiful shiny arms! I love your makeup and your shiny. Thank you very much, Lily, for your help today. I really appreciate it.
Bye.
Lily's leaving. Thanks very much, Lily, for helping me with my makeup today. Before we continue, you guys, a quick commercial break. Hey guys, I just wanted to pop in real quick to say thank you to our sponsor today, Squarespace. Squarespace hosts my personal website. That's where I post my blog. That's where I have created a landing place for all of my sponsorships and collaborations. And I cannot rep Squarespace enough for the simplicity and the ease with which you can make a website using their tools. Running a blog is so incredibly simple. They have such aesthetically pleasing layouts for the photography specifically. I know a lot of people that use Squarespace for their photography or photo-based business, including web art and web prints. Oh my gosh. Just the way that it looks for so many of those templates is so pleasing to your eye. And I can tell you what, there is nothing worse than going to a website that is hard to navigate, difficult to understand, or uses fonts that nobody can read. I'm looking at you, Comic Sans, we don't like you. I also purchased duchessofsuds.com through Squarespace. It's a custom domain. That process took a grand total of like 6 minutes. It was the easiest domain purchase I have ever made. So you can start your free trial today by going to squarespace.com/royaltysoaps and using Royalty Soaps for 10% off your purchase at checkout. Once again, that is squarespace.com/royaltysoaps and use the code royaltysoaps for 10% off. How nice of them. I have written a couple more blog posts since the last video that Squarespace sponsored, and I can just tell you, it's just been so easy. It makes me want to write and put out more content. And there is nothing better than having tools that actually support you in what you're wanting to do and make it easy for you to do your job. It's literally the best. Thank you so much to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. And without further ado, you may now proceed to your soapy/entertainment content. Well, that was an adventure. I didn't realize how absolutely disgusting lip gloss feels running down your chin. That is not a feeling I would wish on my worst enemy. But Lily had a great time. That's all that matters. She thought it looked beautiful, so therefore I feel incredibly accomplished. Thank you so much, Squarespace, for sponsoring today's very silly, very fun video. You guys, don't forget to check out my newest blog post. I'm going to have a little post about the ColourPop collection and what it means to me and a few little stories on there, probably on Saturday. If you want to win this collection, be sure to follow the giveaway steps down below. I talked about that in the beginning of the video. And just as a shout out to ColourPop, I just love this. I think you guys did such a good job. I really, really love the quality of this makeup. It's fantastic. I know I might not be doing it justice on my current face. In all of my intros and outros this month, I've really enjoyed using it. So hey, ColourPop, I'm just saying, if you want to put me on your PR list, I wouldn't be opposed to that. I think the only proper way to finish this out is with a fashion and glamour outro. Enjoy. I don't don't think there's anything quite so glamorous as your hair stuck to the lip gloss on your chin. Wouldn't you agree? Anyways, have an absolutely royal day. Be sure you do something fun for yourself today, whether that's letting your kid put makeup all over your face or perhaps indulging in a special episode of Lizzie McGuire. I don't really care what you do, just be sure you do something fun for yourself. Thanks again to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. You guys be sure to check out Squarespace and use them for all of your website needs. I can't recommend them enough. All of the link and cool coupon stuff, don't forget, is down in the description box below, and I'll see you guys next time. So until then, bye for now. Meow.